This video will show you how to assemble executive conference tables. This video walks through the assembly of a 96-inch powered executive conference table. While you may have a different size or type of executive conference table, steps to assemble are similar. Here are the tools needed for assembly. We will begin by assembling the pedestal base. Assemble on a smooth, non-marring surface to prevent scratching. Place the left side panel and right side panel on the ground with the holes facing up. Install 2 camlock pins into each panel. While holding the lower part of the camlock pin, tighten it using a Phillips screwdriver. On the left side panel, install 1 L bracket and 1 door bumper. Insert 4 camlocks into the back panel. Then connect the left and right side panels to the back panel. Tighten the camlocks. Attach the top trim to the laminate panels. Flip the unit upside down. Install the bottom trim to the laminate panels. Install the glides into the bottom trim. Repeat the same steps for your remaining pedestals. Install the power center by inserting it into the starter tabletop with the holes facing up. Attach the L brackets to both sides of the power center and secure both L brackets to the tabletop. With a second person, place the pedestal upside down onto the tabletop. Secure the pedestal to the tabletop. Repeat these steps for your remaining add-on tabletops and pedestals. Install 2 connector plates on one side of the add-on tabletop. With a second person, stand both assembled table sections upright. Align the holes in the connector plate under the holes in the starter tabletop. Insert the shelf dowels into the desired location inside the pedestals. Carefully place each shelf inside the pedestal. Attach the hinges, locks, and magnetic catches to the doors. Attach the door and repeat steps for the remaining pedestals. The executive conference table is now completely assembled. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.